Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It's your brother Gabriel Romaani, positive Islamic psychology counselor. Dear brothers and sisters, why is there so much depression in today's world? What are the reasons? Now, there are many reasons for depressions, but today I'm going to tackle one. But if you like my videos, please do consider subscribing, becoming one of the patrons as well. Check out the links in the description and support the dawah. Alhamdulillah, we can produce more videos, real problems, real solutions. So I'm going to tackle the issue of men and women, why they're depressed. One main reason. For men, I believe the way Allah created us is that we're purpose driven. We have to conquer. There's conquest, there's exploration, travel, and so on. But because they are living in an environment where they stay home, it's like a lion being caged. He's just walking around the cage. He becomes the cage at some point, and he's not able to fulfill his purpose. He becomes depressed because he's not in tune and in vibe with the reason he was created. The way Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created him, and you can find the reasons in the Quran. There are many, many reasons, but today we only fulfill parts of those, such as salah and fasting, the basics. I believe for women, they were created to be nurturers, to stay home, to take care of human souls, which is very, very beautiful. However, they've been pushed to be like men, to go outside, to seek and chase this purpose that men actually should be chasing it and seeking it. So things have been reversed. And the Prophet ﷺ kind of told us about reversal of things and of roles towards the end of time. So women, instead of being women and being in line and in sync with their fitrah, are being pushed actually to go out there to seek all these pleasures that they're not really created for. They're not really able to do. Therefore, they feel this void. They're convinced rationally that they should do it, but in the end, their natural disposition catches up with them and they feel depression. This is one of the reasons. There's many others, but today I'm addressing this. And as for men, they've been made into house pets, and therefore they're depressed because they're not fulfilling their duty of being outside in the environment, chasing that purpose that Allah created them for. Again, guys, brothers and sisters, if you like my videos, please do subscribe. Make sure, help us get out of the shadow ban by sharing this video with someone that would benefit. And inshallah, we'll see you next time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.